Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming physical and file prerequisites. This saves time later. Check whether your Google TV has a USB-A or USB-C port and pick the correct pen drive. Format the drive to FAT32 or XFAT on a computer because Android-based systems read those reliably. Make sure to back up existing files first. Once done, power on the TV, open Settings, and navigate to Device Preferences so you can verify USB access before inserting the pen drive into the chosen port. Now insert the pen drive into the TV port and wait for the system to detect it. You should feel a click when seated properly. Then open the Files app or the built-in media player and navigate to the USB storage or OTG entry. This reveals folders and media. If an Allow Access prompt appears, grant permission so apps can read the drive. Make sure media formats are compatible. If a video won't play, check codecs or try another player app that supports more formats. Finally, select the file you want and press OK to play. Control playback with the remote as normal. When finished, unmount or safely eject the pen drive through Settings Storage to prevent file corruption. Do not yank it out. If the TV doesn't detect the drive, make sure the port is clean, try a different USB cable or port, or reconnect the drive to a computer and reformat to FAT32 or XFAT. As a single troubleshooting tip, test the pen drive on a phone or PC to confirm the drive itself works.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.